Hello chaps, welcome back to Tino Car Care. Today we have the special Ferrari in for a wash. But as you can see, the weather's not the best, but the show must go on. And follow along and see how I can get the job done. But first, before we get started, I'd like to check out the condition of the car just to see what we're working with. So chaps, this is a Ferrari SF90 Stradale. It is the first ever plug-in hybrid Ferrari, as it has one internal combustion engine integrated with 3 electric motors, which gives this car 1000 horsepower and allows it to do 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds, which makes it the world's fastest Ferrari. When a car is wet, most of the dirt is hidden, but as you can see, there are some parts which let us know that the Ferrari needs some work done. Okay chaps, we've just got a lucky break. The weather has calmed down a little bit, so that gives us the perfect opportunity to finish that inside safely. So let's get started. The first thing you do when working in these type of conditions is to cover your hoover using a strong bag so it doesn't get wet. Another top tip, always cover the electronic parts just by doing this. Chaps, the rain is back, so let's wrap up the interior for now and start on the exterior with the wheels. So chaps, as a mobile car wash, I have to work in all elements. Rain, snow, it doesn't matter. If the customer needs it, then we'll get the job done. Time for the Tino Green Snowfall. Looks very satisfying. If you would like to purchase some green snow foam, then head over to the Tino Car Care website. The Tino Green Snow Foam is left on the Ferrari to ensure that the car is given a good pre-wash, as it loosens and drags down the dirt. I now pressure wash the SF90 Stradale. So chaps, many of you have asked me what happens when it rains, so watch this whole video as I'll be showing you everything I do when washing cars in the rain. Now I use multiple mitts to clean the Ferrari going in straight lines. Once the upper parts are done, I do the lower portion of the car. This makes sure that the dirt from the lower parts is not dragged up to the cleaner upper parts. The Tino detailing brush is also used to get into all of those details. I was expecting a big engine startup too, but not this time, as Ferrari have gone over to the hybrid side. What do you think, chaps? Is the future electric, and what are your preferences? Electric cars or petrol cars? Let me know in the comments below. Time for the Tino ceramic snow foam. I use this to easily apply protection to the Ferrari. Just look how the water beads off the car. If you'd like to get your hands on the Tino ceramic snow foam, then head over to the Tino Car Care website. Time to dry the SF90 using a microfiber drying towel. With the windows given a clean, I move on to the beautiful interior. With the abundance of Alcantara, the Tino scrub pad can be put to good use, as I use it on the leather and plastic as well. The winner of last week's giveaway is Detail Drive. These 5 Tino edgeless blue microfiber cloths will be sent your way, and I hope you enjoy them. With the tyres shined and the rain still pouring, this could have been the end of the wash. However, if the customer has a garage or underground parking, then we can do some final steps to make everything perfect. So let's follow the Ferrari and dry the car again. Do the windows, apply a spray on ceramic, and just go over the car to make sure everything is perfect. Here are your results. Enjoy. It looks brand new again. These lines help let you know that the Alcantara is clean and fresh. Okay chaps, so in the last video, many of you have asked me how I clean my wash mitts and cloths. With the wash mitts, a good pressure wash is enough to give them a good clean, as they are designed to easily release the dirt. I then separate all of my cloths into separate piles, for example, windows, down cloths, drying, polishing and general use, and then place them in the washing machine at 30 to 40 degrees using liquid detergent. I then dry them in a tumble dryer using a slower, cooler setting, as high heat damages microfibers. For high quality cloths like this, then head over to our website. Okay chaps, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and here are 2 more videos I think you would like.